Yep.
I got a fucking membership too, as I was telling you. Dork 6969.
Because we're behind a Evo.
Yeah.
A blue Evo.
Going to the fucking strip.
Going to the strip to watch some street racing.
Blue Evo.
Yep.
Beautiful blue Evo. Evos are beautiful.
Listen to that engine. Hopefully this camera's picking this audio up. He's got a nice muffler. I know it can pick us up, but I hope it's picking that
the
up.
Muffler, the engine is beautiful itself.
Well, I can't see the muffler of the engine from here,
yeah,
so.
I know, yeah.
But I can hear.
Pop his hood.
But I can hear.
Yeah, you can pop his hood. That's about it.
I feel like I got a dash cam on.
Yeah, I know. Yo, on YouTube, don't your video feeds have to be a certain length?
Nope.
No? Yo, shit. Yeah, people go crazy up on this strip.
I did.
Don't go too crazy tonight. Yo, that was
Oh, he's cutting up dust, man.
Yo.
Dude, somebody blew, I think.
Somebody blew.
Somebody blew it. Oh shit!
Yo,
somebody blew their engine.
Blew their engine.
Oh shit! Somebody blew it.
Yo, that shit
We're
stinks,
pulling off.
bro.
We're
Yo,
pulling. Somebody. Oh shit! Somebody blew their engine. Oh shit!
That shit
Turning.
stinks, bro.
Oh damn!
That shit smells.
Damn!
yo.
Somebody blew their engine.
Damn, that shit stinks. I fucking coughed
Damn.
up my fucking lung. I almost fucking gagged, yo. I almost fucking threw up.
Oh, we got oil all over the windshield. Look at it.
Yo.
Oil splatter.
Oh.
Motherfucker.
You dirtied my fucking car. Good job.
Damn! Who blew it?
Yeah, I wonder. Somebody blew it.
Some dummy.
You want to park back there and then just walk up to the fucking side road?
Yeah, we can.
Because that's probably the smarter idea.
True.
Just keep it less of a fucking low pro, you know?
Yep.
Keep it not too fucking hard body, so people can't really see it. Somebody fucking blew their fucking engine. That shit stunk, bro. Yeah, just
What are you looking at?
Yeah, I know, right? Fuck you. Cocky shit going on.
They're gonna race on this road?
Yeah, Washington Ave up there. Washington Ave extension. Shit.
Dude, did you see somebody blew?
Somebody blew their
Somebody blew their engine. Yeah, we got it on tape. I'm recording it right now. I couldn't see who it was, but somebody blew it.
From all that fucking smoke.
Talon?
No, it wasn't the Evo. It was a couple cars ahead of us.
Eagle Talon.
Maybe.
Oh, I have to take a piss.
Is that Talon?